building dito.
Wala ko doon sa doon.
The one.
Hindi man kayo makita ang sunset doon. Kayo si San Diego.
Welcome to La Jolla. Oh, mag-surf sila nga katugnaw man. Tibong.
Tibong.
La Jolla.
Dagat, kinahana mo. Lanoy.
Hi. It's foggy, but plenty. Is it allowed to go there?
Yeah, it says there.
Oh, there's so many seals. They are wild now.
Oh, wait, no, I think these are birds. Oh, but there's seals or something? Oh, there are seals over there. And there's birds. Yeah, these are so many birds. Pala. I call them all seals. The seals over there.
Yeah, those are wild seals, Anna. Oh, so plenty.
And they were even swimming.
They are swimming and it's so cold.
Yeah.
Grabe. They don't feel cold anymore. There's cave over there. Cave. It's a little bit foggy. There's the cave. And the seals are quite noisy today. Ow, 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 ow. I don't want to go down. Yeah.
Use my jacket, I will be freezing.
La Jolla Shore. There's a lot of surfers there. And Daphne. There's lots of birds. It's 7:51 in the morning. Ah, look at the surfers. Surfing. Hi! I'm also taking a video. Husband is also taking a video.
La Jolla Beach.
Yeah, also taking a video. I'm surfing and it's very cold. Sea.
You said, can we jump?
Beach walk with the dog. But we noticed there's no shells here. Only lumot and sana. Oh, birds! Look. They're gonna surf in a while. Okay, small, gamay naman ang waves. Di siguro kayo wavy kalon. Or na-joy days na, wavy again. They made a heart. So cute. Nicey. Tadan. Rainbow. Look at that, it's over there. Ta-da. We're gonna have a breakfast there. Here's my breakfast. Potatoes, scrambled eggs, turkey patty, gravy, coffee, and oats, rolled oats. It's the kids' food. Habis, yes. Back to chill. Sorry for the mess. I'm just gonna show you overview from our room. It's really nice here. On the side, it's sunny day in San Diego, and it's still 9:53 in the morning. There's a brunch. What's that? There's a very big ship. Sleepy.
No, I'm reading the floor.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah. Okay, the ground.
In honor of, in memory of.
Oh, yeah. Philippines. We are going inside the ship. It's huge. Oh.
Okay. No, get your own. Get your own. Because you have to check
Put it
in
closer
on.
to your
And they
ears.
have something like that. So, three mga tutulungan siya stories.
Ah. There's real bullet. We're gonna watch a show, 15-minute show, no? More things. There's a cafe over there. We're gonna
Guys, when you're
ride.
inside, I'll take a photo. Huh? Oh, you're going to be around.
Oh, this is.
Join us?
No, I don't want to get dizzy. This is the aircraft 360 combat. We're gonna try.
Oh yeah, that is taller than me, so we can both pala.
Happy photo na.
Bang. Lipong. Flight simulator of air combat. We went on the deck. There's a lot of planes that they used before in the war. Oh, there are bullet holes also. Those ones. It's cool. It's big. I thought it's scary up here. Whoa. There's American flag. Oh my god, it's kind of deep down there. Ooh.
Walk around to either side and you'll see a gray
There you go. The weather is nice. It's only 18 degrees. It's sunny. So you can wear light clothes. Yeah. What's wrong? Wearing silvers today. We're going below decks. Here. Whoa! There you go. You can just reach the ceiling. Oh, this is where they serve the food. Cool. Fridge, plates, trash. Ah, the post office? Ah, the post office. Okay. uniforms.
That's the best way to store them inside a seabag. The big trick was they didn't learn how to put the right things in the right place. And they put the stuff they're going to need tomorrow at the bottom, and they got to get everything out and go again. On board, we each had a small storage area. Small. There's one over in the corner.
This is the kitchen. Cool. Big mixing bowls. Meat slicer. Little faucet here. Supplies. This is the place where they wash their fishes. Oh, it's a pretty big kitchen. Cooking area. We're gonna bake something. Smells like gingerbread here. Smells like sweet cupcake. This is where they ground meat and they make pancakes there. That's the place where they display all the food. Wow. Ah, this is the post office. The other one was the uniform area pala. Here. This is where you eat.
Okay, you're done.
Ah, there.
What's missing now?
Hangar deck, both questions.
Hangar deck. Where is
They're
it?
answering
It's the place where we were.
questions.
But you didn't. I thought you.
Yeah, you got the questions right? All of it?
Yeah, all of it.
Whoa, good job. So you get a prize. That's the prize if you correct everything.
100%.
Wow. There. They answered this one. Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Let's
It's
see.
got wings on it.
Yeah. Your pilot, USS Midway Museum. Congratulations for answering it right.
Thank you.
We're going to the Cheesecake Factory.
Hi, Tita Tony.
Hi! Oh, look. So cool. What did you say?
That's my place right there. That's my hometown.
Ah, the Cheesecake Factory. Ha!
What's the cutest patio?
There's the Matilda cake that I've been looking for. You know, I'll do that later. Ay, thank you. Gee. Thank you. There's a heater over there.
Welcome to Cheesecake Factory. My name is Julia.
One. Spicy ginger tenderloin.
Oh, steak.
Crying until the
Oo. Sa doon na lang. Doon na lang. Just imagine.
It's already so much.
Waffle Hanai chicken. So it's 1 second.
Okay.
Is that the salad?
30
Oh, so big.
Okay, let's share.
Thank you. This is so big.
Little chili.
Matilda cake, aka tower cake, Oreo cheesecake. The host ng Oreo eh. Pero Oreo so big.
I want to know where they get these huge Oreos crackers.
Yeah, it's so huge.
And I like the cookies more than the cream. They just got secret connections with the company CEO of Oreo. Many stores here. You got to walk up the hill and stuff.
That's cute stores over there. Oh.
Lisa, Auntie Tony is inviting you again.
Yeah? Go down. This is the hot page again.
Ah, Daphne. Daphne, just chilling. Chilling there. There's lots of barnacles. Barnacles.
Malibu.
In a souvenir shop. Some jacket, sweaters. Yep. You want another hat?
Nangita ka na eh. Dahil lang.
Mom, this is basically his Pandora. His
Hat
Pandora
is-
chains.
Yeah.
Daisa said it.
This one smells so good. It smells like pineapple. Because it is pineapple. But it's awesome. There I go. I got a hat. Yes. These are so cute candles.